Hi everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about Surfshark and whether or not it helps with gaming. As you may already know, Surfshark is a fantastic budget VPN service that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost without really sacrificing any of the necessary security features that you need to keep your device secure. And on top of that, you'll be able to secure an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription, making it the perfect VPN if you want to share it with many friends and family members as you'd like. With that being said, is it really good for gaming? Well, I'm going to be answering that in this video and giving you some recommendations on how to use Surfshark to get the best possible results. And without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point in this video you'd like to check out Surfshark, you'll find all the useful links, including discounts, in the description down below. Now, there are a handful of situations where VPNs can actually improve your ping, and that's when your ISP is throttling your connection. Most ISPs set certain rules in order to lower your bandwidth whenever you engage in certain activities. For example, my ISP would lower my download speed to the ground whenever I'm downloading, or if I reach my daily limit. Others have had ISPs slow down their connection when gaming, and that's where VPNs come in handy, such as Surfshark. If you use Surfshark to connect to any VPN server out there, you'll have all your internet traffic encrypted through the VPN tunnel, which will basically not show your ISP anything. Therefore, they won't lower your bandwidth or slow down your speed. With that being said, there are a couple of things you should do when you're using Surfshark for gaming. First of all, go to the settings and set your protocol to WireGuard. This protocol is Surfshark's fastest performing protocol, and you'll get the best results when using it. Second of all, if you're connected to a random VPN server, you might end up with a pretty slow internet. And that's because your traffic is being rerouted to several nodes instead of going directly to your game server. With that being said, this can be easily mitigated by checking out where the game server is located and connecting to the VPN server closest to that. This way, you'll get the best speeds possible while protecting yourself from any ISP throttling attempts. So to sum it up, yes, Surfshark is great when it comes to reducing your ping and protecting you from ISP throttling. Just remember to pick the right protocol and connect the closest server to your game server. And that's it for today's video. Again, if you're interested in Surfshark, you'll find all the useful links, including discounts, in the description down below. Now, if you're interested in Surfshark, we have an exclusive discount we can offer for fans of our channel, and I'll show you how it works. So if you directly go to Surfshark's website, the deal you'll currently get is 24 months for $249 per month, saving you 81%. And with other channels and websites, you'll just get 2 free months and an 82% discount. However, if you use our exclusive coupon code, you'll be getting 3 free months in total, saving you 83%, which is the best deal available on the internet. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.